Hi, my name is Yulong, and my role in this project is to implement the account creation process and the notification system. So for the first time you open the app, it will ask for the permission of notification. And to create an account, you just simply create the create account button and enter the basic information. The system will validate the email and password. If you try to create an account with an invalid email or password format, uh, the account will not be created and create a toaster to warn the user about that. And if everything is entered correctly, the account will be created and auto login to the app. Another feature I implement is the notification. If you allow the permission for notification, here's how it's gonna work. If you see a cute little doggy and you want to send a video to your group, and with that sound, you know that you got a notification and it will show on your pull down screen. And you also show who sent the video and the username of the sender. And you can click on the notification and you will open the app and you will see the video you just received.
Hi, my name is Mark, and I will be demoing four of our features today. The first feature I'll be demoing is profile and profile editing. So view our profile, we click the Profile tab, and then we can edit this profile by clicking the Edit button below. There are a few parts to a profile. The first part is our profile image, our background image, and then our name, location, and our bio. If we want to edit any of these features, we can simply click on them. So I can add more to my description, or I can change my profile image, and I can even change my background image. And then you can also change your name if you wanted to, and you can change your location by clicking on the location, but that will be demoed later in location services. Then you click the check mark, and you'll see an updated profile message at the bottom when your profile has been updated to the cloud. Now everyone will see these changes when they're viewing your profile. So next, we'll move on to location services. As you can see, my location is currently set to Roanoke, Virginia. So if I were to go to the home page and look at groups that I'm not a part of currently, we're currently viewing by online groups. So only online groups will show up. We can filter by distance to look at groups that have a location set. So if I were to look at groups within 10 miles of me, we can see there's no group within 10 miles of me that I'm not currently a part of. However, if I were to zoom out all the way to 50 miles, we can see there's a group in Blacksburg, Virginia that I'm not currently a part of. If we wanted to change our location, we can go back to the Profile tab, click the Edit button, click on our location, and it will take me to where my device currently is located. And if this is where I'm happy setting my location, I can simply click Set Location, or I can move my profile around and find where I want to set it to. And you can click on the top right to bring you back to where you currently are. So I'm happy where I currently am, so I'll set my location, and this is in Blacksburg, Virginia. So it will update my location in a few minutes. And here we can see our location has been updated to Blacksburg, Virginia. Now, if we were to go back to the home page and filter by distance, we can see if we filter by 10 miles, the Blacksburg, Virginia group is now within 10 miles of us. So it'll just show up closer. The next part I'll demo to is the group creation screen. So if we're to click the plus check mark in the bottom right-hand corner, either on the home screen or on the group's profile screen, we can create a new group. So we can select an image for a background of our group. Let's say we select this image. We can give our group a name, and then we can give it a description. We can then either select a different amount of max members from the list provided, or we can just be happy with the currently optioned 3. So then we can submit, and it will create our group. The now group created successfully, and we can go to our groups page, and we will see programmers is now one of our groups. We can go in and see what a group looks like. And since there's no messages, there is no messages in the chat currently. And we can also select the programmers page, and we can view the profile page of our group. It has name, profile image, the location it's set for, what the description of the group is, and the current members in the group. We can also select the current members to see the profile page. Now, if we back through these, we can go into a group like hiking, and we can see messages are currently in the group. So we can, let's say, leave this group. When we leave this group, it should show up as join group now. And if we go back to the home page, we'll see that group is no longer available in our groups messages. We can rejoin this group by selecting the group and clicking join group. We are now part of the group again. And if we were to go back, we can see the messages within the group again.
Hi there, my name is Jackson, and I worked on a number of the back-end features, such as the original database setup, sending and receiving and encoding of data, as well as creating a lot of the data objects, project management, deliverable work, and the background updates that inform the notifications and data updates. However, as far as what can actually be demoed, I worked on the user-to-user blocking interaction. So I'll demonstrate that with this popular profile called Mildred Wilson. She's part of a number of groups, several bridge clubs, for example. She is the only member of all of them. But she's part of several bridge clubs as well as this Texas Hold'em group. This group has a user named blocked user. It's a poor name, but they're able to be blocked. All users are able to be blocked at any time. Like I could also block knitter crocheter, but I won't. Now at this point, if I log in as the blocked user, I'll still have access to the group, Texas Hold'em, and I'll still be able to send and receive videos to everyone in the group except for Mildred, who will not be notified. during the update tick, it is verified whether they are blocked or not, at which point they are either notified or not. In addition, most notably, anyone can search for any groups at any time unless they are blocked. So if I search for bridge, I won't find any groups because I am not a part of any of those, and Mildred is, and because I've been blocked, I cannot view the groups. So to show how it's reversible, I'll log back in as Mildred. We'll go back to Hold'em, and we will unblock the user. Log back in as the blocked user. And then at this point, if we search for bridge groups, we will be able to join all of them. So that is how the blocking functionality works. The other members of the groups are unaffected by the blocking capability. It is simply a one-to-one interaction between two members.
I will demonstrate how video recording and reaction function works. The user can record the video on a chat screen. For privacy purpose, the user can record without recording a video. Here is how it looks like to record without the camera. When recording with the camera on, the user can record on either back camera or front camera. I will record a short sample video. After recording a video, a user can review the video and choose to send it or not. It takes a few seconds to send the video. And you can see the sent message on the chat screen. Next, the user can make a reaction to a message with the like button here. The liked user ID will be stored on server side. The number of liked people will be displayed next to the heart icon. The user also has an option to unlike the video.
Hello, this is the additional feature for the Sprint 3, and where I have implemented the pin feature, pin message feature, and also the feature for a group name update. So you can find here, and then we could go to this and we can find this one. And also I implemented the transcript, and yeah, we got this one. And now we could see the another feature, that is this one, the edit group name and description. So if we go and we write something like update, and over here if we write something and then hit and then we save it, so we could find it, the changes being reflecting on the page itself. And yeah, that's it. These are the two additional features which hasn't been shown in the previous demo.